babies, it's your girl with Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell your partners in them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, we got a unboxing. Y'all know how we get it over here. So I don't know what's what. All I know is got a package. Let me move my juice. And y'all, it's been raining cats and dogs. Like, seriously. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is so cute. I don't know why I'm opening this like this. Like, come on now. So y'all know I love MCM print. Usually I get the cognac, but I've been trying to get in touch with my inner pink. And y'all, I seen this MCM pink tote bag and I thought it was so cute. So cute. Like, oh my gosh. And usually I don't wear pink. I have this now and one other pink bag. And I was like, that's just enough pop of color of pink. Because sometimes I just be like, well, I want to wear, you know, like a pink purse and my little fugs, because they're not Uggs, and you know, I want to be cute, you know, cutesy. And y'all thought this was so cute. Let me see. Oh, this zips. I'm trying to see, do my other tote zip. And y'all, we at the nail table, so if you see nail stuff, or yeah, it's a lot going on over there. So it has the inside, that's the cognac color. It has inside pocket right here. Make sure I'm in view. Okay, there we go. Cognac color inside pockets right here. It came with its own little personal pouch. Y'all know like how the LV Neverfull comes with a pouch. It comes with its own pouch, and this is cute, and it's actually big enough to be worn as like a wristlet. Let me see. Because I've seen sometimes, you know, people wear these by itself. It just really depends what look you're going for. And the inside, cognac color. Y'all, this is so cute. So cute. And this is from DH. Because lately, if you already know about the Expressway, they've been being a little funky, you know, with they, when it comes to, I guess, how they advertise their products and stuff like that. It's kind of hard to find stuff. Even if you have links, sometimes they'll work, and then you come back a couple days later, the whole thing is just gone. So I don't know. Maybe I was gonna say maybe you know, the purse phase as far as dupes, is that trying to fade out, or are they trying to make it harder for people to have access? Because you know, people are gonna find a way. When there's a will, there's a way. But I just noticed that like it's very harder to find pieces, whether it's a hat or keychain, glasses. It's really hard to find it on the Expressway. So usually I don't mess with the DH, because y'all know I've told y'all about my experiences. You know, I'm so happy, fingers crossed, knock on wood, I've been able to like get, you know, refunds back and stuff like that. But I ain't got time for it. But like I had told y'all before, any purse that I have from here on out is going to be like, you know, statement pieces, cute little, you know, little stuff that I know I'm going to wear, not just have it sit there, you know. Oh, this is still got rain in it. Hold on, y'all. Not the rain. Hold on, y'all. I don't want this. I'm not looking at this. All right, here we go. So the first one, and this reminded me of, when was it? Yeah, I think back in the Y2K era. Not sure what this is called. If I find it, let me see, future myself. When you edit it, put the name right here. All right, I'm gonna make sure I try to put the name right there, make sure I remember. But what is it? The Chanel Carbon or Cabon or something like that. But yeah, basically like back in the day, I can remember like people wearing the tote ones, like the tote bags or the little miniature bowling bags that looks like, I don't know, I wouldn't say even look like, well, the colorway was the same as far as like the black caviar with the white logo, and it would just be like short. It was so cute. Like that was the thing back in the day. But it's pretty spacious. It is silver hardware, no feet. It has a side pocket, just one side pocket. It has a back pocket in the back, and you can carry this, yeah, as a shoulder bag, or probably like in the crease of your arm. And it has the turn lock to open. Oh, this is beautiful. It has the pocket in the inside. I can't use my hands tonight. Hold on, y'all. Just a regular pocket. Yeah, it has some stuffing in the inside. Yo, this is cute. I'm shaking the table. So yes, this is definitely a nice large bag to carry, because I want to get back to carrying my large size bags, but for some reason I got into this medium small type situation when it comes to bag sizes, and y'all, I just been stuck there. So I just wanted to have more options when it comes to bigger bags, because I'm starting to find myself having to carry a little bit more with me daily and stuff like that. And it's just good to have, like, you know, your wipes, your go-to cleaning stuff, your disinfectant spray and hand sanitizer, soap, and you know, by the time you start adding that stuff up, that's already a lot of space. So yes, I'm definitely trying to lean back to wearing bigger purses, so wish me luck. And then this last one, you know, and I thought this was so cute. And this is just a dupe of the denim one that kind of sort of looks like this, but I think the actual one has white C's on it, and I think it's like out of a shearling type material or something like that. So, you know, this is a dead giveaway, but I like it. Like, I could see myself probably putting some Chanel pins on here or something, kind of exaggerating it, seeing that it has, like, you know, this different type of pastel color. So putting some Chanel pins, might put like, I don't know, purse charm on right here, like on the, I don't know, should I don't know, I'll let y'all know, y'all gonna see it. Back part ain't got nothing, no feet. This is pretty spacious. It's denim, gold hardware, pocket in the inside on both sides, and yeah, yo, this is cute. Let me bring this down some because I can't see. This is cute. And it's just so me. I'm just like, oh, this is different. Even though it's a dead giveaway. But it's just like, still, it's cute. It really just looked like a denim bag with stuff on it. And somebody probably just, you know, did this handmade or something. I don't know. I'm rocking it. But yeah, y'all, that's it. That's it. Those 3 items. I'll let y'all know when some more stuff coming in. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.